There's a newer, non-surgical, non-prescription alternative for chronic pain. It's shockwave therapy. Madeira Chiropractic Wellness Center is sponsoring this segment to explain the therapy. Dr. Madeira himself will offer a testimony for us. So, Dr. Madeira, first off, you provide natural health solutions. Tell me about some of them.
Well, we use a lot of technology in our practice. We use, for example, digital spinal imaging. We've used deep tissue laser therapy, spinal decompression therapy as an example, to name a few of them.
Yeah, and then there's shockwave therapy, right? And shockwave is what you're excited to talk about today because you actually are a believer in this. You witnessed how the change that this can offer. Talk about that.
Yeah, so I injured my shoulder playing golf almost 2 years ago, and I had terrible pain in my shoulder. I could hardly move it. I couldn't lift my grandkids. I couldn't swing a golf club. I couldn't hardly do my profession. And I heard about it at a conference, shockwave therapy at a conference I was at out west. And so I came home looking for it, thinking that, hey, this is maybe a much better option than surgery. I got to find this, and I did.
Okay, and so it worked for you. What exactly is it?
So shockwave therapy uses sound waves. And what it does is it basically tricks the body into thinking that it's re-injured. It doesn't re-injure it, but it thinks it's re-injured. And one of the most exciting things about it is that it attracts stem cells to the treated area. So not only do you get the immediate pain reduction and inflammation reduction, but over a period of weeks after the treatments end, the stem cells keep working to regenerate the new tissue.
Wow, how fast did you see results?
My treatments started, they were once a week for 8 weeks. And at the end of 8 weeks, I was 80% better.
Wow, that's incredible. And that was for shoulder pain. What other sorts of ailments can it help
with?
Well,
it's fantastic for a lot of things, but the main things, of course, shoulders. We help people with shoulder problems all the time. But you know, people that work at computers a lot, they almost always complain to us that they get this knot right between their shoulder blades, typically on the side of their arm. They use their dominant hand. Also, people that have pain in the front and side of their hip and runs down their IT band. Also great for Achilles injuries, golf and tennis elbow, and plantar fasciitis. It's fantastic.
It seems like magic almost. Like it really does.
It's pretty neat. It's really neat.
And if I understand correctly, folks can benefit from this even after they have tried other therapies.
For sure. I mean, I had cortisone injections which only lasted for a few days. And even people that have had surgery may benefit from it.
A lot of folks probably haven't heard of this. I didn't hear about it because it's fairly new to the U.S., right? Yeah,
well, it's been used in Europe for about 10 years, but it's only been in the U.S. recently, so like the last 2 years. And so I was traveling, I had to travel an hour each direction to find it around here, but now we invested in, because it helped me so much, we invested in our practice, and so now we have it right here in Hershey.
That's terrific, and you're one of the only folks locally I know that have that. What is the best way for someone to determine if this could help them? Well,
the best way is to talk to us about it, and we do a brief consultation, find out the history, and if we think we can help, we offer an introductory session, first session for $39. The treatments themselves are typically about $100, a little less than $100 each, and you typically only need 6 or 8 treatments.
Oh my gosh, what an investment into your well-being.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my goodness. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Good to have you. Always good to have you here with us. As we go to break, we thank Madeira Chiropractic Wellness Center for sponsoring the previous segment. We'll be back.